Here we'll talk about analyzing XLM macros with the help of VBA macros. Now, before going ahead, let us have an idea about what is the difference between XLM macros and VBA macros. VBA macros are written for the entire document, whether it is a XLS or a doc file. But XLM macros are macros written in XLM 4.0, specifically for macro sheets which are in Excel document. Basically, what happens is cells in the sheet can have commands and functions which can be executed with the XLM 4.0 macros. An Excel document can have both XLM macros as well as VBA macros. So can we use VBA macros to analyze XLM macros? So let me take a sample here, which I have created. So let me open the sample here and let me enable the content. So this sample does nothing but pops up the calculator. Now, here in this particular sheet, I don't see anything suspicious because everything is blank. As a malware analyst, we should analyze deeper. So there can be possibility of a VBA macro inside, or there can be a XLM macro as well. So assuming that there are XLM macros, what we can do is we'll use VBA editor and a VBA macro code to print out all the cells inside the sheets in the macro. So for that, what I'm going to do is I'm going to use a VBA code. So this is a VBA code which can be used to print all the cells inside all the sheets inside Excel document. So now let me copy this code. Now let me go to this Excel document and open VBA editor using Alt plus F11. So I opened the VBA editor. Here what I do is I paste my code here, and after that I execute it. Now when I execute it, certain output comes up in the immediate window. So let me copy this output, and for reading, let me paste it in Notepad++. So basically, I see that there is one sheet whose name is macro1, and in cell number A1, there is a command exec calc.exe, and in cell number A2, there is halt. And there is another sheet 1. So basically there are two sheets, but if I open up the document, there is only one sheet. So another sheet is hidden. So let me use another VBA command to unhide the sheet. So let me copy this, and now let me go to this VBA editor and let me enter this command in the immediate window. So this command does nothing but makes all the sheets visible. So it iterates through all the sheets. WS stands for worksheet. So it iterates through all the sheets and makes their property visible. So I enter this and press enter. Now, when I switch back to my Excel sheet, I see that another macro sheet is there and it is visible. So I can see the code which was shown up as an output when I executed the macro earlier. So you can see here cell number A1 has exec calculator.exe while cell number A2 has halt. So this is what you see. So this is how you analyze VBA macros. Uh, now, if you want to understand more about malicious documents and explore more malicious documents, you can join my training, Malware Reverse Engineering basic to advanced with detection engineering. Thank you.